I didn't expect to ever work with somebody that big. And imagine starting out your first time. I was so nervous.
Gina was a reject. Earlier. Nacho Sare G part ke was a reject. Babaji ki booty, we didn't know what it's going to do. So at every step, wherever we have thought we want to do something, we know कि पहले 2 महीने सिर्फ rejection आएगा.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahni and today I'm super excited and pleased to be chatting with Crystal D'Souza and Jigar Sarya for their recently released song, which I must say we are all super impressed with, Na Nahi Sunna. Hi Jigar, hi Crystal, how have you been?
Hi Rashita, we are fine. I have been waiting to do this interview. I think it was supposed to be yesterday. So I'm totally pumped. As you know, I'm very Insta active. So I follow all the new buzz that's happening on Peeping Moon and everywhere. So I know it all.
That's great. Jigar, what about you?
Because Crystal knows you all, I know you all. So I'm good.
Nice. So
let me tell you actually that गाना तो एक बार हो जाता है, लेकिन उसके बाद जो इंटरव्यूज का मजा है ना, वो एक अपने आप में एक charm है. And how better way to begin with you guys? Yeah, you guys are like all over the place.
Oh, thank you so much. That means a lot. So I think currently we are all over the place, but there is someone else also, and that is the duo of Jigar and Crystal, who's, I think, ruling the internet currently. I see so many reels being made on the song and the quirky backgrounds being used, inspired from your theme. So you tell me, firstly, how did this collaboration happen?
So we made this song pehle, and we made this song during lockdown, Sachin and me. And we thought that यार जैसे ही lockdown खुलेगा ना, हम एक खुशी वाला गाना release करेंगे. And the idea behind this song was that even for the people who do not party, like me, I don't party in life.
Okay.
It is a call for everyone who doesn't party to say that, listen, today you have to come, मैं ना नहीं सुनना. Like आज नहीं ना सुनूंगा boss. So that was the idea कि यार ये करना है. और उसके बाद जब गाना बन गया तो then we thought कि चलो अभी इस पे वीडियो बनाते हैं. और 2 तरीके हैं. एक तो आप एक सेट लगाओ और 120 डांसर्स को बुलाओ और डांस करो, या एक दूसरा तरीका है that you try, you experiment, you do something which you think is cool and see how it goes. So we tried to do that, and the minute we thought we want to make a green screen video, when our director gave us the idea, the first name actually that came up was Crystal.
Oh wow.
because half the internet doesn't know, but Crystal के भी बहुत silent लोग हैं जो Crystal पे crush करते रहते हैं internet पे. So the first name that came up was Crystal, and she was kind enough to respond, and we did this in a very very happy vibe. हमने बहुत मस्ती की, हमने बहुत rehearsal में भी मस्ती की, और here we are.
I am sure, and I think the green screen idea was worth it because it really looks very cool and quirky.
Yeah.
So, Crystal, you tell me.
Like, when you watch it, you will not get it in the first time. You have to re-watch it to understand कि oh, ये मर गए, ये इनका second life है, ये भारती क्या कर रही है. You know, there's every time you watch it, you figure out something new. So that's the fun of it. I mean, we could have made a normal video where we are singing and dancing along, but this was just such a breath of fresh air, especially after 2020, when we've all just gone through so much of a lull in our life. This was adding so much color, so much of spunk to our life that we thought that we should just go ahead and just spread that everywhere. So a lot of people, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people will be like, ये क्या बनाया है? But it is for the masses, for the people who want to enjoy. Like, दिमाग इतना मत लगाओ, just enjoy.
In fact, आजकल एक normal trend है कि एक गाना हो, उसमें एक hot लड़की हो, महंगी गाड़ियाँ हो, और बहुत सारी hot dancers हो, which is a lovely thing. We wanted to make this video like a very, very kid-friendly video. You know, like we wanted even kids to enjoy it.
Yeah.
So we kept it very, क्या बोलते हैं? अरे पूरा video, we wanted to make it entertaining. That was the idea.
And I think we have seen a lot of the songs that are coming these days. Like this is something new. We have been watching the same and the same thing all over again. So I think this is the first song of 2021 which has like this cool vibe attached to it, and it's something new. So yeah, good. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Okay, so of course it's just been like 6 days since the song has released, but it has crossed almost over 8 million views. And I was going through the comments, and the comments are really quirky as the song. So you tell me, while making it, of course, I think there must have been a risk in mind because it's something new. So did you expect such a massive response in such a short span of time?
So I'll go first, Crystal, then you can join me. Next interview में you go first.
No, you go ना. I have no contribution to this क्योंकि मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है क्या numbers आते हैं.
नहीं, numbers का तो मुझे भी कोई idea नहीं है. मतलब वो हम दोनों equally knowledge है about that. But anyway, so when we were making this, we were in loop with Sony Music, and when we got this idea, the first call that we made, I spoke and I said that we are doing something which is really on the edge. मतलब इसको या इतनी गाली पड़ेगी ना कि मतलब शर्म से आंखें झुक जाएगी, और अगर ये किसी को समझ में आ गया ना तो फिर अपना मतलब but still we did not purposely do anything for the heck of it. So we could have even gone ahead and made just a green screen video जहाँ इस background के आगे लोग नाच रहे होते. But we wanted to really have the Money Heist, the Professor, the Mario, Game of Thrones, all these
references. Professor तो आप ही हो. Comments के हिसाब से.
Correct. तो in fact एक point पे हमने ये भी सोचा था कि because like a lot, I mean 90% of the जनता thinks I am Apar Shakti's जुड़वा भाई.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
So at one point we had even thought that we'll get Apar Shakti in the video.
Oh,
and do a pehchan con. And do a pehchan con from it. But that I thought would be taking it too far. तो फिर वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता. But we have tried on with it, and that's all. And the video में Bharti entered, I mean, उसके बाद मतलब तो it became a riot. So we didn't think of it as a response generating video, but we knew that people will either love it or hate it. and for Sachin and me, we both knew that this video can make or break the song, because the song otherwise is a very commercial dance song. इस पे एक regular video होगा तो इसको में भी शायद ज़्यादा views मिलेंगे, शायद कम. But this video is going to impact the song also. But we still wanted to do it. कि चलो करते हैं, मजा आएगा.
That's nice. Crystal, you tell me, what did you think about it before, like when it wasn't released?
So, I mean, I shot everything on a green screen. For me, everything as it was released, I think a few days prior, I went to Jigar's office and we saw the video. And I was like, एक बार और दिखाओ. Because I was like, what happened? Yeah. But it was so cool. It was so cool, especially when Bharti comes in. It's so cool. Also, the reference of Mario, which I've played as a child. Yeah. The reference of Money Heist, which all of us have watched before this in this lockdown. So there's like so many references. You have to keep watching it again to be like, the Delhi mask. Oh, this, oh, that, even when he drinks Fanta out of the hoarding, it could have been just left like that. But there is a tagline to it. So if you go through all the little things, Bharti could have killed him with an arrow. She killed him with a lipstick.
I saw that.
Because it's the last kiss. Yeah. So everything was so much that I was like, wait. When I shot it first, I had no clue what this was going to be. I believed in the song. I believed in Jigar. I believed in the team. And I said, I love this song. Abhi iska kuch bhi bane, I will hear it. ये मेरी गाड़ी में blast होगा, ये मेरी parties में blast होगा, तो मैं तो ये करने वाली हूँ. And then when I saw the result of it, I was like, wow, okay, fine. Now I'm not just going to play it, I'm going to watch it and play. तो मेरा projector नीचे आएगा और ये वीडियो के साथ बजेगा.
ओहो, नए घर में projector भी लगा है मतलब. ऑलरेडी इंस्टा पे प्रोजेक्टर जो प्रोजेक्टर बेचना चाहते हैं,
गाइस जिसको मुझे घर का कुछ भी सामान भेजना है प्लीज भेज दो.
Calling. All right. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. And of course, how was it when I watched the song? Of course, it was very fun to watch. But you all shot it on a green screen, that I know now. But how was it shooting? How was the vibe on set overall? And how was it shooting with Bharti also? Because she also looks super cool in it.
So the vibe on the set was very positive. It was very happy. It was very happening. The colors were so vibrant in any case that nothing could dull us down. And you know, we had already rehearsed a few days prior, so we had a good rapport. We went on set and we were actually on fire. Like, we just kept shooting. We didn't realize what time it is, what is happening. We just kept working and we kept shooting because we were having fun doing it. So, you know, the changes, everything just happened so quickly, and we kept going on set, dancing, coming out. We've done every step in every outfit.
Oh.
In every
angle.
Yeah.
So it was fun. It was a lot of fun for me.
Okay. Jigar?
Yes. Yes. So see, this video is directed by my friend only. Her name is Arunima. And when she came up with this क्या बोलते हैं whole green screen idea, तो हमें ऐसा लगा कि चलो green screen मतलब आप एक कहीं भी green screen लगा दो और shoot कर लो. But it turned out to be a massive set. We had like too many people on set, you know, eventually. And it felt कि हम क्या Game of Thrones तो नहीं बना रहे हैं life में. And the fun was to understand how this VFX thing works, you know, that it is a very, very different process than shooting a regular song.
Yeah.
And there are so many limitations. You can't do this, you can't do that. इतना ही हो सकता है. But और उसके बाद the post was much more fun because in the post all the ideas were coming to life, you know, कि चलो ये एक ड्रैगन है, आज इसकी पूंछ हिल रही है, अभी इसकी पूंछ अपने को 45 डिग्री लेफ्ट में हिलानी है या राइट में हिलानी है, या ये मारियो का जो मशरूम है वो कितना दबेगा तो ऊपर उड़ना चाहिए आदमी. So this is a lot of fun and it has taken good 3.5 months. So even the VFX team at Prime Focus has put in all the hard work, and we were really trying to achieve a certain level of VFX, which we might have not, because you lose objective while you are making this. तो पर इतना हम जरूर कह सकते हैं कि यार as a team ना हम लोग को मजा आया. We really enjoyed every bit of it. In fact, even Rehab, who is a DJ, featured DJ on this, he's an international DJ. Even when the feedback came from them, they were also like, man, this is so much fun. Exactly what we wanted to hear.
Yeah. Definitely. And Crystal, you tell me, from TV to web to music videos and now films, you have, I think, tried it all, and I must say you are on a roll. But which platform is it that interests you the most? Is it like Bollywood that you're looking at right now to go into fully and completely?
So for me right now, what interests me the most is Bollywood, because that's new for me. I've done TV for a while. I've done web shows. I've done music videos. I've done 2 music videos now, both with Sony Music. And
तीसरा का बोलना है?
हाँ?
तीसरे का बोलना है?
तीसरे का अभी नहीं बोलना, थोड़े टाइम बाद बोलेंगे.
Wow, now I'm excited. There is a Insta one also.
Yes, I've done all of that, and now movies is very new for me. It's something I have, you know, it was supposed to release last year April because of the pandemic. It shifted this year April, but it's an all new field. You know, everything is different, everything is new, and I'm a nobody there. In TV, you know, even today, touchwood, because of the work that we've done, I'm a somebody in TV. But in films, I'm a nobody. For me, it's like starting from scratch. And I'm totally enjoying the process, you know. I'm totally enjoying when every poster comes out, there's a whole meeting that goes on, that we have to put this poster at this time, do this, you know. All of that was never happening in TV or anything else. I don't know about now, but at least when I was in TV, nothing like that was happening. So it's brand new. Of course, I think films is interesting me a little more because I've worked with Amitabh Bachchan. I mean, Oh my
I
God.
know.
खत्म
And
गंगा
my
नाले
first time.
I didn't expect to
Yeah.
ever work with somebody that big. And imagine starting out your first time. I was so nervous, but also that man gives you so much confidence that he doesn't let you be nervous for more than 2 seconds. He'll be like, okay, fine, yes, I am Amitabh Bachchan, let's move on now.
wow
Wow.
You know, it makes you feel so comfortable. So yeah, films for me is something that is interesting me now. Also web space, because it's you know, it's a thin line between web and film.
Yeah, true.
A lot of films are also releasing OTT, so it's a very thin line. So I think web and films is something that's more modern, something that interests me a little more. TV somehow even today is not being able to be as modern as I would like it to be for me. I'm sure masses love it, is why it's working so well. But it's
Yeah.
something that doesn't interest me personally. So I feel web, films, and a few more music videos which are as quirky and as fun.
Okay, we will be waiting for it.
Yeah.
And of course, Jigar, you tell me, the times that we are living in, especially in the music industry, as you mentioned that a lot of videos become similar, and those are cool. And as I mentioned that, it becomes sometimes repetitive. Do you, as someone who belongs to the music industry and as a composer, do you ever feel the pressure of doing something new? Like this one, we can take this example, Na Nahi Sunna. It is something new, but do you constantly have this stress on your shoulders that we have to break the stereotypes and the things that are already coming in and try something that has not been done before?
all right, let me tell you a very quick insight. Okay, so between Sachin and Meena, we have always been the people who want to break the stereotype. When we started off in 2010, when Remo sir gave us a film called Faltu, at that time everybody was doing bhangra music. Dhol was on the epitome of dhol being dhol, right? At that point, before anybody else wanted to do it, we wanted to do a hip hop song, a song which has no breaks, a song which has one beat and a person singing. Char baj gaye, lekin party every buck. And the whole song, if you see, is one tune. आज है Friday night, मैं चलूं अपने friends के साथ. चार बज गए. Is the whole song is more or less one tune. So when we made it, इनफैक्ट उसका म्यूजिकल रिफ भी वही है, टैंग 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 टैंग. तो कौन इतनी बार एक चीज सुनेगा, ये तो अलग बात है. बट व्हेन वी प्लेड इट टू रेमो सर, ही कंप्लीटली लव्ड इट. व्हेन आई प्लेड इट टू फ्यू पीपल आई ट्रस्ट इन म्यूजिक, ऑल ऑफ देम सेड, भाई ये क्या बकवास है, ये क्या है, ये तुम्हारा पहला गाना होगा. यू नो, दैट्स व्हाट केम टू अस कि ये क्या बकवास चल रहा है. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट वी थॉट कि क्या होगा, मैक्सिमम क्या होगा, बोलेंगे इन्होंने बकवास बना दिया ना. As far as Sachin and me are confident, we'll make it. And we made it. And it became what it became. Post that, everybody told us कि ये तो पार्टी बनाते हैं, लोग पार्टी के गाने बनाते हैं, ये लोग ऐसे गाने बनाते हैं. And we got a chance to make, immediately in the second film, we got a chance to make a song called Saibo.
Yeah.
You know, at that time, songs were made like तेरी और टाइप के गाने चल रहे थे, जिसमें बहुत ढोल और डफ और इंडियन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते थे. We wanted to just use one piano and a small little drum and let the voice be the king. तभी ये गाना
on my playlist Saibo, let me say.
Yeah.
ये गाना एटलीस्ट 6 से 7 लेवल्स पे रिजेक्ट हुआ गाना है.
Oh my God.
Like people said, कौन सुनेगा ये गाना, इसमें एक ही अंतर है, तो गाना 2 मिनट में खत्म हो जाता है. 2 minutes 32 seconds, including a music label, including a radio station, including a few more important people rejected this song. But our director Raj and DK said that ये गाना ही होगा और ये ऐसे ही होगा. And it released, and then it is what it is, you know. Jeena Jeena was a reject earlier. Nacho Sare G Part Ke was a reject. Baba Ji Ki Booty, we didn't know what it's going to do. So at every step, wherever we have thought we want to do something, we know कि पहले 2 महीने सिर्फ रिजेक्शन आएगा, उसके बाद समझ आएगा, उसके बाद एक्सेप्टेंस आएगा, उसके बाद वैसा और एक बनाने की मांग आएगी. So this is a pattern. So, and why we are doing music videos is because we want to do something out of our own comfort zone, you know. And doing videos like this gives us more confidence कि यार चलो अगर 10 में से एक आदमी पकड़ के और एक इससे बेटर बनाएगा ना, तो maybe we'll have better productions, better ideas, better things to do. So we are never scared. In fact, it is a purpose attempt of trying something out at the risk of it being a flop.
Okay, that's great. And may you two always go on and try new things for us to, you know, have good content to watch and good songs to listen to.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have this really fun quiz for both of you. And you just, so it's between you two, whoever you think has done that more, you have to take his name. So yeah. Who used to be very late on set?
None of them.
Me little later than him because I used to take more time to get ready.
Okay.
अच्छा मैं तो वैनिटी वैन को भी सेट ही समझता हूँ, वो नहीं होता?
नहीं.
तो फिर क्रिस्टल by leaps and bounds.
But I admitted it also.
Yeah. Okay. Who was the workaholic one?
Jigar.
Who took more takes?
Jigar.
अरे यार मैं डांसर नहीं हूँ, मैं एक्टर नहीं हूँ, मेरे को लगेगा ना ज्यादा ठीक.
But the way you have matched steps with Crystal, it's incredible, really. It wasn't looking like you're not a dancer.
हाँ, वो तो अभी हमारे कोरियोग्राफर ने संभाल लिया हमको.
Okay. Who was more fun on the set? Me. Crystal. Who took more time to get ready? I think you answered that, Crystal. Who forgot the steps more?
Jigar.
Emoji डाल देना इसका भी.
Okay. And who practiced more? Like who was very hardworking and going on practicing?
Jigar.
With both hands. घर पे भी करता था.
अरे वाह. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Crystal and Jigar. This was one fun chat, and I'll be looking forward to more collaborations between you two.
Yes, and we'll be looking forward to come back to you to promote.
Yeah. Definitely. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks.